Hi there, this is Monar Hussain from Panda website design. So I am doing a booking system for my client. That is for a she have two apartment and she want to give rent, and the rent system she want will work look like as uh, she will not give rent the apartment for 1 day or 2 day. She want to do like is the packaging system, like is for 7 day, for 14 days, for 1 month. But I know that I can do it with the Wix member area functionality, like is the packaging system, the subscription feature, or one-time subscription, something look like that. I can do it very easily. But she want people can book it for 1 days or 2 days. The problem is when I will do the member area functionality, then there will be no option to do the calendar things. But I need to make sure that uh, I need to make sure it will be not overbooked. So I need the calendar feature, but I need the package feature as well. That's why now I am, as I am a Wix Legend partner, so I am taking help from Wix live chat. Now Lex is connected with me. I am taking suggestion from him. Oh, she is her. Okay, she is lady. So I am taking some help from her. How can I do the combo functionality? That will be like is the package things, and that will be like as booking the calendar things as well. So once I will take the decision how I will do it for my client, then I will go ahead and I will start doing it on my computer, my Mac Mini. There I am feel comfortable to work with Wix project, like as on Wix Classic Editor and Wix Studio Editor as well. So let me take the decision and then I am bringing you to my display. Okay. Okay, so now I am on my display and I found that we need to use Wix hotel booking for that feature, otherwise we can't get that combo. So to do that, let me just go to the website, let me go to the app market, and then I just need to install hotel. Here is the Wix hotel. I have installed it already. Let me try again. So it will be added again. Add to page, full screen our story. No. Okay, so it's already added. If I will go to the pages, then I can find it very easily. Book a room. So I need to set up it at first. Maybe here is the demo things. Let me click minis, and after that I can see here, complete your business information. Let me go there. Let me put my business names and everything. Here is the name. Let me upload the logos. She prefer to use these things, and here is the country and region. Let me check which country from. I will take the information from my client letter, and let me just click save. That I have done for now. So here is the hotel property setup overview. Check your rent and availability. Let me see what have there. Create a room type. Okay, so my room type is, it's an bungalow cottage. What I can put there, not a single room, it's an apartment bungalow, we can call it bungalow. Classic room corner Swiss cottage, we can call it cottage. I can change it later, no problem. Let me just put apartment now. Display the name. So here is the name. Okay, here is the name and adult capacity. Let me just put now 4. Number of the rooms, 3 rooms. Revenue account, accommodation. Okay, I'm just putting it for now. Once it will be I will do the live Zoom meeting with my client as well, and I will take the information from her, so she can tell me what's happened or what information do I need to put there. To guest per calculation for 1 guest, maybe I can put something look like that, or that's it for now. Next, popular amenities, I'm just putting some of the things from here, and then smoking is allow or not allow. Bed type, here's the bed type. I will tag all of the information from my client, no problem with that. Electronics, what will be available there. Okay, and domestic application, alarm clock, ice mark, freezer, juicer. My client will fill up all of the information, or I will take the information from her and then I will put it there. Room photos, I have the room photos. Let me just put for now these things, but I will definitely upload the main picture later. So for now it's okay for me. Complete setup. Okay, so here room size I need to put it here. I need to put the description and room details that I was finding. Room size, number of the bedroom, number of the bathroom, bed type, I need to put all of the details later. 7, continue. Here is the floor things, room identifier, room size, number of bathroom, bedroom, I will fill up all of them. Oh, this is the all things. Manage rent plans. Okay, so let me fill up here the address. Maybe this one. I will change it later if there need any modification on it. Sunset Villas, Lakeford. Let me go here. Region maybe. I don't know which is the region. Just for now I am just putting one of that, and once it will be done, contact information I can fill up here, no problem. Once I will save it, then business information will be done here. Then we need to connect the accept the payment with the available country. Which country are you from? So you can fill up that, you can choose the country here, which country are you from, and once it will be done, then on your booking page, let me go to how many property I uploaded here. I uploaded 1 property. we need more information. Which one? Okay, I can put here some of the short description about my profile, but it's okay for now. Let me go to on book a room page, and then I will see one room here available because I already update one room. It's loading here. You can see one room is available here, Sunset Villa 1. So look like that way. I will put here more rooms. I can see on my country currency here. So to change the currency I need to go here and I need to find the currency update things here. Language and region. Under that it's already jar, but I can see here my country because I am from Bangladesh. That's why I can see my country currency here. So yeah, everything is fine. Look like that way. We can include the book a room functionality, and that functionality I was looking for, it's already there. Here is the hotel, property management, bulk update, and once my client will make the website upgrade, I mean when my client will buy the Wix plan, then I have here option to minimum stay. I can put here 7 days. So the minimum booking days will be 7 days from here. I will research about that more. That's it for now. So if you need any kind of help with Wix hotel apps, then you may knock me with the Wix hotel app. We can do any kind of listing, the property things, we can do all of the things. Okay, so feel free to knock me for any kind of Wix issue. I am available to hire. Thank you so much.